Okay, listen. Shibiri, shibiri, shibiri. They are talking shibiri. What I no get enemy. They you for follow shibiri. I put my eyes. Then short, high rise. Touch God, high cry. Offshore, coastline. Trail on. Let me have some pray. Let me have them break. Come on, mate. I can stay for one place.
Back to my YouTube channel. Check out Zimbiat. How are you guys doing today? So I'm doing a quick travel prep vlog today. I'm actually so stressed. I got back from work today and I'm trying to do my hair as well. I washed my hair and I'm trying to fix it. This is the first time I'm making my natural hair. I booked my lashes for 2:30 and this is 2:37. Fucking late. Anyways, for getting there late, I was so late, guys. So now I'm just gonna go do my hair. We finished really early. I thought we were gonna finish like 6, but we finished really early. This is like 5. I'm gonna do my hair. Let me check it.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride for every single moment. You were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go home. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Maybe.
Hi guys, so I'm at Ife's place now and I'm styling my hair. Say hi to Ife. You guys should have known Ife. Ife, you have appeared on my vlogs every time.
Yes, nah.
So she's making my hair. I know, bomb shaker. So we're gonna make frontal. Forget my front hair.
We're gonna transform this baby girl into a body. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so you guys can see. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
I don't have voice, but I can do back up.
You can do back home. That's something. So guys, as you can see, my hair is like getting flaky. Yeah. We've gisted, my darling. Honestly. I swear this is my first hair in like over a year. First hair like my hair.
When we go panda.
I know, right? I'm saying, love, look at that. Look at the side profile. It's giving It's giving escalator, baby. But guys, what the hell? Oh my god, I can't even recognize myself. Like the thing is melting. What?
I don't know. I have not.
Guys, I want to show you the final result. I should have done YouTube when I was doing my Instagram live. That is so.
We went on live, guys, to find me a man.
Yeah, so guys, we went on live to find a fair man, and we found 2 suitors. I told her this new year we have to be intentional. If you're not intentional, get the fuck away. And we found some very nice men, and even one said was already checking flight to book for us and me as assistant photographer. Anyways, so you guys, I just want to show you my hair. Actually, I got here like 6 p.m. We should have finished this hair, but we were talking. This is 12:07.
This is why friends should not be making each other.
I know, it's so bad.
I was so sure that we're going to finish in 3 hours.
I know. I swear, it's so bad because then she had to straighten my hair first. She had to do everything. They like plucked the frontal, and I really love the hair. At first, I was like,
frontal what? Frontal
like,
where?
It's melting. Like this is my scalp.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Oh God. Oh God, guys, I'm gonna show you content from my trip.
Yeah.
And you guys should follow Ife. I'm gonna put our Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram
And our YouTube channel. So you guys should subscribe.
Yeah.
Guys, so I want to show you my hair.
Bring it up. Bring it up.
Because I am so in love with this hair. It's so pretty. Like I've had this weave on actually for like 5 years now or over, and my lashes just glued together. Wanna play a song? I want to dance. Which song should we play?
Sweat.
Yeah. Which is them? Oh, what's in my honey? Only jeans the one. Me o pe jeans lo so. One in jeans the one la mo one. One in cash the one. Cash akoto, banana. Alhamdulillah, ọwọ́ mi pọ̀ dáadáa. Yeah.
Alexa.
Ọmọdé wọn lọ́gọ́, sáré wọn kí n tó ṣe. Mo ti pa owó skọ́ọ̀tì, ẹ̀lí dúró lóní. Wọ́n wá ìdààmú tú, mo lọ ní kí làwọn ra tírì wá. Gbèdí bèbèlébé, ní pàtó. Oya twẹ̀. Twerk your body, twerk, hey. Alexa, play Twerk by Kiss Daniel.
Alexa,
I'm meaning
play Twerk by Kiss Daniel.
Shuffling Kiss, Daniel and similar artists on Amazon Music.
No.
Alexa,
I don't have Amazon
play
Prime.
Tweet.
Calm down.
Tweet.
Mastered and similar.
Hey. Only tasty one. Hey, one more one.
Only things to want, one more one. Only car to want, catch a good job. Bala. Alhamdulillah, oh me for that. Yeah. I'm a girl, I don't want to go. But the power's party, but the zero shorty. What you want, I'm on two. Only color mura kiriwa. They give him a twerk your body, twerk your body, twerk. Hollywood, down, twerk your body, twerk.
Ṣàmọ̀yé ti lọ. Hello. Ọba mi ṣàyè. 247. Oh baby, sọ̀rọ̀ fún mi, sọ̀rọ̀ pa. Hey, Oh, thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Bye.